Where one makes a journey along the Lothori-Verna bypass, one sees a small chapel with a cross in it, called the Deva Paula Chokhuris, cross with the footprint of Christ enclosed in it. People from all over the state, irrespective of their faith, come to worship here because of its miraculous powers. During the holy season of Lent, a group of people organize a way of the cross from the Mai de Dios chapel to this shrine. The feast is celebrated on the second Sunday of May. What is the origin of this cross here? There are no historical records recording the origin of the cross or the footprint of Jesus Christ on this spot. But the residents of the place, when contacted, have an inspiring story to narrate. About a century and a half ago, the said area was a forest with patches of rocky terrain with no human habitation, since wild animals like leopards, wild boars inhabited it. A muddy footpath connected the villages of Lotli and Verna, which was used by the villagers to attend funerals, months' mind masses, etc. in their respective villages and for any function hosted in these villages. They would always travel in groups for fear of wild animals. The Gondi or shepherds of Lotli and Verna villages, who were tribals and perhaps with no known religion, would use this path to take their goats for grazing on this hilly plateau. There is a belief that on one day, as their goats were grazing, one of the shepherds saw Jesus Christ passing by. He was a tall and majestic person, and on this spot he genuflected. As he did so, the rock caved in, leaving behind impressions of the toe, knee, and the footprint of the right leg. The Gondi, taken aback, built a cross here and began to pray for their safety as they were constantly in danger. From then on, they accepted Christianity as their religion. When the villagers noticed a sudden change in the behavior of the Gondi, they asked for a reason behind it. It is at this time they reported about the incident that led them to become Christians. The villagers of Lotli and Verna went to the spot and prayed there. It soon became a habitual part of their lives as they moved up and down to pray here for their safety and also for other intentions. Many of their prayers were heard, and so it came to be widely known as a miraculous cross.